Hi everyone, this is teacher Sandra. In this video, I'd like to go through a concept called sets, where in this case, we're going to have extras of something in a set. Let's read the question. Sally has 3 more 20-cent coins than 50-cent coins. The total value of all her coins is $6.20. How many 20-cent coins does she have? So first and foremost, we need to see and notice that they are telling us that Sally has 3 more 20-cent coins than 50-cent coins. Now we need to first find out the value of these 3 extra 20-cent coins. So 3 extra 20-cent coins would be 3 times 20 cents, which gives us a total of 60 cents. Next, because the total value of all her coins is $6.20, now let's first take away all these extra 20-cent coins. I'm going to take away the 3 20-cent coins. Okay, we're going to pretend they're not there. We'll take it away. So I'm going to take the 60 cents away from the total value. So the total value of the remaining coins would be $6.20 minus 60 cents, which is $5.60. Now, the reason why I want to take away the 3 extra 20-cent coins is so that the rest of the coins would be equal. After taking away the 3 extra 20-cent coins, the remaining coins, we will be left with equal number of 20-cent coins and equal number of 50-cent coins. Which also means that in one set, we would have 1 20-cent and 1 50-cent coin. Next, let's find out the value of one set, which will be 20 cents plus 50 cents, gives us 70 cents. Okay, now let's take a look at the total value of the remaining coins. They make up $5.60. And we have just found out the value of one set, that's 70 cents. Now from here, what we need to do is to find out how many sets of this do we have. How many 70 cents make up the total value of $5.60? And we find out by dividing. $5.60 divided by 70 cents tell us the number of sets that we have. We have 8 sets. Next, the question wants us to find out how many 20-cent coins Sally has. So let's go back to one set again. Okay, we're trying to find out the number of 20-cent coins. So in one set, the 20 cent, we have 1, right? We have 1 20 cent in one set. And let's check. We have 8 sets. So in this case, the number of 20-cent coins would be 8 sets with 1 20-cent coin in each set. We have 8. But let's not forget, Sally had 3 more 20-cent coins, right? Which we already removed in the first step. Remember, we took the 3 20-cent coins away at the beginning. So let's not forget about them. Let's add them back. So in total, the number of 20-cent coins that Sally has is 11. So the answer, Sally has 11 20-cent coins. This is the end of this video. See you guys in the next.